What up, YouTube? It's a legendary Scat Tie, aka the Insane Guy, back to you with another quick video. So today we're going to talk about a mod that I did make a video for. I changed the steering wheel that came stock with my Scat Pack, so it was a Scat Pack steering wheel. I ended up changing it to the SRT steering wheel with the light. So it has a white light that lights up whenever you turn the car on or whenever you have your daytime running lights. So the first thing you do need to know that you do have to buy the actual Hellcat steering wheel or Trackhawk steering wheel to actually do this. You can't do it with your stock steering wheel because of the adapter that it comes with. You won't be able to get that to work with the regular steering wheel that you have in your car. So I know it's been a lot of videos of people doing it, but nobody actually said whether or not you can use the stock steering wheel, and you can't because of the wire harness, not the adapter, excuse me. So let's get into it. It lights up white. I'm gonna do another video, a second part of the video when it's a little bit darker so you can fully see it, but you can kind of see it here. It's changed a little bit. The thing that I do like about this steering wheel, it's a little bit thicker than the other one, so it's easier. It has a better grip. I wouldn't say easier, but it has a better grip for you to be able to grip the steering wheel when you're driving or whatever. It actually feels better than the stock one. The only major difference, besides it being a little bit thicker, is this silver part right here. On the stock Scat Pack steering wheel, it's all leather, and then this isn't leather. It's like aluminum or plastic or something like that. So that's one of the major differences. So if I could change that one part, it's actually more comfortable to have that instead of the actual Hellcat steering wheel with this plastic or whatever this is. But what I will say is you kind of get used to it, and I definitely wouldn't change my steering wheel back to the original one. If anything, I'll probably wrap it later on or something and do something different if I get tired of like the feel of not having the leather there. But that's the quick mod that I did. Just wanted to make a video, trying to get back into doing my content. I got a lot of things that I'm waiting on to come in, so while I'm waiting on those things, that was kind of what was slowing me down as far as making the videos. I'm actually waiting on the wide body kit to come in from Vicres. I'm actually waiting on my rims to come back in from Corleone Forged. So once I get those, I'll make videos about those also. I'll also be making a special video regarding everything that went down with Vicres. It was a very interesting situation that I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person that went through it. So we're gonna talk about that a little bit in the future coming video. So that's it for this one. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and join the Insane Gang. Go.